Origin NOVITA ND25.5 dehumidifier, 25 liter per day capacity, suitable for 3000 to 4000 cubic feet area with a high airflow of 290 cubic meters per hour. You can tap the power key to switch it on. You can tap the humidity key to set the required level of RH percentage at which you want the dehumidifier to function. You can tap on the timer key to set the required number of hours for which you want the dehumidifier to function. You can tap the speed key to set the speed of the dehumidifier, may it be low or high, and you can see it on the screen. You can tap the auto mode key to set the dehumidifier on auto mode. You can see the icon on the screen. Depending upon the humidity in the area, the machine will function by itself in the auto mode. You can tap on the settings key once to set the dehumidifier on dry mode. You can see the icon on the screen. On the dry mode, the machine will function on high speed by default. This is in case of extreme humidity or for drying your wet clothes. Tap the settings key once more to enable the sleep mode. As you can see the icon on the screen. Here, the machine will work on low speed by default and make less noise. Tap the settings key once more to enable the air purification mode. As you can see the icon on the screen. In this mode, the machine will work only as an air purifier and not as a dehumidifier. Tap the settings key once again and you will come back to the manual mode. Lastly, you can long tap the settings key to enable the ionizer. As you can see on the screen, this does the semi-air purification. You may long tap the settings key if you want to disable it. The filter can be found towards the back of the dehumidifier. You may remove the pre-filter mesh like this. A carbon filter can be inserted like this for semi-air purification. 2-in-1 carbon plus HEPA filter can be inserted like this for full air purification. The water tank can be found towards the back of the dehumidifier. You can remove it like this, dispose the water from this top portion which is uncovered and reinsert the bucket back to its position like this. The dehumidifier also comes with a set of wheels and a small ledge on the side for easy mobility. We hope this video was helpful. Please rewatch the video if you could not understand something, and please reach out to us for any questions or queries. Thank you.